Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see right here, we've got the files provided by HONOR, and thanks to this app we've got access to our recent files, browse, where we can find images, videos, documents, audio, apps, archives, my files, internal storage, favorites, save, network, neighborhood, recently deleted, downloads and receive files, and recorder. Also we can clean junk files from the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.